Sarah. Hanapin natin ang bahay ni Princess Sarah. Let's go find the house of Mr. Princess Sarah. Yan. Tignan mo yan. Ganyan ang mga bahay niya. Han, what's this? A house?
Yes.
A school?
This is house.
Really?
Yes.
Only a house?
Yes.
It looks like a castle. Wow, 1, 2, 3, big castle.
This other side.
Mm.
No highway, only link.
But the cab, vroom, 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 vroom. And the motor.
Safety because it's very easy. You see?
Hanapin na natin sa bahay ni Princess Sarah dyan. Ito yung puro bato, puro bushes. This is only bushes because now it's winter. Ooh.
Here, okay.
What's that, Han? The way?
No, the way, but it's not good. Do the other.
And what's this?
The fence,
Okay.
but now no.
You see that little house, Han? This little house. The
Making many new house. Last time I tried only
Yes.
this little house everywhere. Now it's big house. It's very big house. The rich people like it. It's gonna be mountain
Peaceful.
and forest. Capital city.
Because Budapest not good. Many people now in Budapest.
Budapest is okay, but many people, many problems.
The last time Ben is robbing. No more update. The robbing.
No.
The police not calling. Ganda ng langit. Blue na blue.
No, broken and made it new here.
Mother house?
Mother house here.
Now selling?
The selling.
Mom's living here.
Yes, mom child here is living here. Mom child.
Yan, ang cute oh.